Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Techno Education Academy. In this video lecture, we will discuss the most IMP MCQ of mechanical series and our topic is boiler. So in this video lecture, we will solve 10 most IMP MCQ of boiler. Let's start with question number 1. The Cochrane boiler is a horizontal multi-tubular boiler. Okay, so this is the schematic diagram of Cochrane boiler. It is a vertical boiler, but here you can see that the position of the tubes is horizontal. Okay, so Cochrane boiler is a horizontal multi-tubular boiler. Okay. Question number 2. The fire tubes in a Cochrane boiler usually have dash diameter. So its diameter is 62.5 mm. Okay, the fire tube in a Cochrane boiler usually have 62.5 mm diameter. Question number 3. The fire tubes in a Cochrane boiler usually have dash number of fire tubes. Okay, so the number of fire tubes in the Cochrane boiler is 165. Question number 4. What is grate in boiler? So here you can see that this is the schematic diagram of the Babcock and Wilcox boiler. Here you can see that this is a grate. Okay, and the function of the grate is it is a platform on which you can put the coal for the combustion, and generally it is a perforated type tray. So after completion of combustion, okay, whatever the byproduct is ash, it is fall down due to gravity and it is collected in the ash pit. Question number 5. The shell of the Cochrane boiler is made hemispherical. Okay, the reason behind that, the first reason, it will give the maximum space and strength. The second reason, to withstand the pressure of steam inside the boiler. So this is the reason the shell of the Cochrane boiler is made hemispherical. Question number 6. The length of Lancashire boiler varies from, its shell diameter is varies from 1.75 to 2.75 meter, while as its length varies from 7.25 meter to 9 meter. And Lancashire boiler is used where working pressure and power required are moderate. Question number 7. For the same diameter and thickness of a tube, a water tube boiler has dash heating surface as compared to fire tube boiler. So for the same diameter and thickness, okay, the water tube boiler has more heating surface as compared to fire tube boiler. Okay, so in case of a water tube boiler, okay, its surface area is more for the heating as compared to the fire tube boilers. Question number 8. The fire tubes in a Scotch marine boiler are. So here you can see that, okay, this is a Scotch marine boiler, and we have already discussed, okay, marine boiler is a movable or portable boilers, and the position of the fire tubes are horizontal. Question number 9. The crown of the firebox is made hemispherical in order to resist intense heat in the firebox. Okay, this is the reason the crown of the firebox is made hemispherical, so it can resist the intense heat in the firebox. Question number 10. The fire tubes in Cochrane boilers are. So here you can see that this is the schematic diagram of the Cochrane boiler. Here in the furnace, the combustion will be take place, and the flue gases, it will pass through the horizontal tubes. Okay, and it will transfer the heat to the water, okay, which is surrounded the fire tubes. So the fire tubes in a Cochrane boilers are horizontal.